Take a look at this 2008 GMC Acadia. This Acadia has just under 76,500 miles. For your protection, a service contract is available. This vehicle gets an estimated 16 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 24 on the highway. This Acadia boasts a 3.6-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the Summit White SLT2 Preferred Equipment Group includes standard equipment, light titanium, seat trim, leather-appointed seating on first and second rows, seating, 7-passenger, leather-appointed, power reclining buckets, standard, sunroof, dual Skyscape 2-panel power, tilt sliding front and fixed rear with power sunscreen, engine, 3.6L variable valve timing MPFI, 275 horsepower, 205.1 kW at 6,600 RPMs, 251 pounds-ft of torque, 338.9 Nm, at 3,200 RPMs. Standard, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled LED with overdrive, standard, included and only available with TR14526 FWD models. Audio system controls, in the rear cargo area, entertainment system, rear seat DVD player, audio system feature, Bose Advanced 10-speaker system with 5.1 surround sound, included and only available with U42 DVD entertainment system. Head-up display, audio system with navigation, AM/FM stereo with MP3 compatible CD-DVD player and DVD-based navigation in the trailer hitch, factory install LED, included and only available with V92 trailering equipment. Call 813-956-8086 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.